In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit responses after submitting in Google Forms. If you've ever had someone submit a form and immediately spot a typo, or need to correct a choice, turning on a single setting gives them a safe way to fix their own answers without creating duplicates or manual cleanup for you. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. Make sure you're looking at the form builder, not just the preview. You'll see the familiar top bar with tabs for questions, responses, and settings. Next, go to Settings. This is where Google Forms controls how people can respond and what happens after they click Submit. We're going to focus specifically on the Responses area. Open the Responses section. Depending on your version of Forms, it may appear as a drop-down or a panel. Inside, look for the option labeled Allow Response Editing. This toggle determines whether respondents can revisit their submitted answers using an edit link. Turn on Allow Response Editing. With this enabled, respondents will see an edit response link on the confirmation page right after they submit. If you also use features like email receipts, that same link can appear there too. When someone clicks the edit link, they'll be taken back to their original submission, where they can update fields and resubmit. The form keeps a single clean entry, updating the timestamp to reflect the latest changes rather than creating a duplicate. A few tips to set expectations. This only applies to people who have the unique edit link generated by their own submission. It doesn't let anyone browse others' answers, and it won't allow edits if you later turn off the setting or close the form to new responses. If your form limits users to one response or requires sign-in, they'll need to be logged into the same account to use the link. Also, if you've set validation rules or required questions, those still apply during edits, which helps maintain data quality. Once this is enabled, the edit response link appears on the confirmation page for each submitter, letting them reopen their own entry, adjust answers, and resubmit without creating a second response. And that's it. By opening your form, heading into Settings, expanding the Responses area, and turning on Allow Response Editing, you give respondents a straightforward way to correct mistakes while keeping your dataset clean and accurate.